Shenzhen VStarcam Technology Company Limited is the leader in security industry, paying more attention to the application and expression of cutting-edge technologies when making consumer security electronic products. The biggest highlight is that it creatively created the i4 intelligent remote video software of cloud storage plus multi-terminal viewing plus real-time alarm. Users can realize remote two-way talk intercom without technical background through simple connection operation, real-time humanoid detection and alarm, effectively guaranteeing the safety of people's lives and property. VStarcam is a complete solution product for security IPC plus NVR. It has high-quality image processing and encoding performance, supports humanoid and motion detection, realizes data security, flexibility, reliability, and co-empowerment, and integrates mature intelligent surveillance cameras. Application solutions and scenarios are used in many industries and are sold to more than 190 countries and regions in China, Europe, America, Central Asia, Africa, etc., showing strong adaptability in domestic and international competition with strength, and promoting industrial intelligence, rapid development. After more than 10 years of continuous research and in-depth tracking, as VStarcam has judged, security intelligence continues to deepen in various industries, and the VStarcam Intelligent IP camera in the new mode should have higher agility, ease of use, real-time and intelligence ability. In the future, VStarcam will continue to deeply cultivate the intelligent security industry, give full play to its unique advantages in the field of modern safe cities, protect social security.